Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am sharing Python problem solution. So our problem statement is, if the integer is odd number, print weird. If the integer is even and the inclusive range of 2 to 5, print not weird. If the integer is even and the inclusive range of 6 to 20, print weird. If the integer is even and greater than 20, print not weird. First one, only even number, print weird. And another statement is, if the inclusive range is 2 to 5 and then even number, print not weird. If the integer is even and inclusive range is 6 to 20, print weird. Another statement is, if the integer is greater than 20 and then even, print not weird. So this is our problem statement. So let's start our coding. So today I am using VS Code editor. So I open the VS Code editor. So create one Python file. So our Python file name is setweird.py. So set weirdness. Yes. .py. This is our Python file name. I expand my screen. So okay guys. Just I create the function. You can use just a if else statement, or guys, you can use function method, or directly you can use the if else statement. But best way is create a function after I call it. It is a best way practice. So in this video, I am saying create the function after I check the conditions. Sec underscore weird. So set weird. Set weird is our function name, and just in this place I pass the parameter as n number. If so, our first statement is, if the integer is odd, print weird. If the integer is odd number, print weird. So in this place, if n minus of 2 equal to 0, print. In this place, you can use print or return function, but in this case, I am using print statement. Print weird. Just I call it and then run it. Sec weird, and then in this place, you can put some numbers. So you can read carefully. If the integer is odd number, print weird. So in this place, you can not equal. You keep the not equal 0. So if number is little bit true, it is not equal to 0, print weird. Save it and then run it. So I did not keep any values. So in this place, I keep one value is 5. See this? 1 minute. Weird. In this place, I keep 15. So this 150. So this, the if condition exists. So I check only one condition. So first one is, in this statement we have done. Next one, in this statement, I am using else. Else, inside the else, I keep another if condition. If so, another condition is, if the integer is even and the inclusive range of 2 to 5, print not weird. So inclusive ranges 2 to 5. 2 to 5. Print not weird. Not weird. So in this case, only even number. If you even number, it will return not weird. Otherwise, if you put the odd numbers, it will return weird. Even number. Our answer is not weird. Just see this. I change it. I keep in this place 2, 4. Sorry, 4. See this not weird. Suppose in this place I put 3. See this. Because it is odd number, it will return weird. Otherwise it will return not weird. In this place I keep the 2. Now it will return not weird because it is a 2 is an even number. So it will return not weird. So one condition, another statement is we are done. So if another statement is if the integer is even and the increase range of 6 to 23 weird. So I copy the statement. But in this place, elif. And the inclusive range is 6 to 20. In this place, we can keep our statement is weird. Just I run it. I keep terminal. CLS. Just I run it. I keep 8. 6 to 20. So our answer written is weird. See this? Weird. So our third statement is done. So first statement is if you first statement is if you had number it will return weird. Second statement is if you had its range is 2 to 5, it will return not weird. So our answer written is not weird. If the another statement is if you increase the ranges 6 to 20, it will our answer written is weird. So last list statement is fourth one is if the integer is even and greater than 20, print not weird. So if the integer is even and greater than 20, print not weird. So in this place, using else statement, no. So okay, you can use else. Else print not weird. So even and greater than 20. Greater than 20, it will return our answer is weird. No, not me. Sorry, I got a little confused. I run it. See this weird. Okay. In this place, I keep 22. Now see this. Not weird. So so this dipstick. So our answer is so because our input is greater than 22, it will return not weird. So I copy this one. I have pasted 4 times. First one is add number. Anything add number, it will return weird. Another one is 2 to 5, only even numbers. Another statement is if a even number but increase ranges 2 to 5, it will return our answer written as not weird. Third one, 6 to 20, and our increase range is 6 to 20, and our answer written is weird. So in this place, I keep in 8. So another statement is if this is greater than 20 and then even number, our answer written is 22. So I run it. I expand. I clear the derivative. See this weird, not weird, weird, not weird. Guys, I hope in this video is very helpful for you. If helpful, please share with your friends. Thank you. Bye. See you later. Bye bye.